Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money with Capitec application. First, you should open the Capitec application on your phone, and you need to make sure that it has the latest update by going to the Play Store and check if you have any updates or not. If you have an update, just update it, then open the application, log in into your account. And once you open it, you will find here in the home page this section down below, pay beneficiary option. You just have to click on it, and after that it will show you this page, and it will include all the beneficiaries that you have sent before. But if you are a new one, you can simply click on add beneficiary on the plus sign right here. Then you will be able to add a new beneficiary. You will have to enter the name, account number, category, payment method, etc. After you add the beneficiary, you can simply choose it from the beneficiary list, and here you will find these options: the payment type, beneficiary reference, the statement description, and also the payment notification if you want to apply a payment notification to this beneficiary or not. Now when you scroll down, you will find here these two options: pay and immediate payment. When you pay from Capitec application to another Capitec recipient or beneficiary, it will be automatically immediate payment. But if you pay from Capitec to another app, you will have to click on pay, and if you click on immediate payment, this will cost you extra fees. So after you click on pay, it will ask you how much money will you want to send him. Then after that, the process will be easy and you will send money without any issues. Now let's go back to the home page. Here on the bottom, you will see here this section, send cash. When you click on it, it will jump you directly to this page. So here it will show you where your friends or your recipients can receive their money cash, and it will show you more details just right here. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.